Hello. To move apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, it depends actually where you want to move these applications. You can move these applications around the home screen. So if you want to do this, you simply press and hold on any application you want to move. And just like this, you're able to change the location, move applications just like this, as you can see. And if you're dragging this application to the edge of your screen, as you can see, you're changing the pages of your home screen, for example. The same thing applies to all of the applications and to the folders also. The same thing also probably applies to the app drawer. As you press and hold on the application, you can also change its position, but you cannot actually put this in any position like in the home screen, but you can just put it in the different position like this. As you can see, you can manage your home screen, your apps drawer actually like this. And yeah, press and hold, drag it around, and as you put it to the edge, you change the pages of your app drawer or the home screen. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.